Are you tired of the endless hassles and frustrations that come with renting heavy transportation and construction equipment? Introducing Kauffman Sales and Rentals, your ultimate solution for all your heavy transportation and construction rental needs. With Kauffman's, say goodbye to the headaches and inefficiencies of traditional rental processes. We understand the importance of keeping your projects on track and on schedule. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers rave about our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. Our dedicated team of experts is always here to guide you, offering personalized solutions tailored to your needs.